guys, welcome to my channel Fairy Beauty Corner, and first of all, happy Holi to all. And today I'm going to be showing you different type of cocktails which you can actually drink on this colorful festival. So I'm excited and I hope you guys are too. But before starting with this video, I think you guys should first like our video and share and subscribe. And please give a lot of support to our channel. So let's get started. So for our first mocktail, we need a glass, and then I asked my mom to take some orange and just squeeze out juice. It's actually a little fun process for kids, but I think parents should be there with them. So this is like homemade, fresh made juice, and we're gonna just pour some. Oops. Okay. So the glass now, I'm just gonna squeeze in some lemon. And now I'm just gonna place some of this black salt. So it tastes really good with lemon. So let's put that in. And then some cumin seeds, also known as jeera. And then 2 spoons of sugar syrup. You can do it according to taste. I'm a little sweet tooth, so yeah. And last one, a little bit of mint leaves for taste. For the sugar syrup, we just added a little sugar to hot water. That's pretty much it. And then we're just gonna add in our ice cubes. So these are jelly. Carefully pop in 2 to 3 ice cubes. And then we are gonna add in our Kinley soda. So this is like really pure soda, so you guys have to be careful by putting it. And I have to do, I'm really clumsy, so I'm just holding this in my hand and doing it. You have to stop and do it because it fizzes like a lot. Yep, and that's done. And we are done with our first cocktail. So this baby looks delicious. And finally garnish it with a little lemon slice. So your beautiful cocktail is ready, and you can actually, this is like so colorful, orange, and I love the color orange, just so bright and nice. So yeah, one's done. So guys, it's time for our second cocktail, and I swear you guys are gonna love it because it's like so cool. Just try it, just try it. I swear you just make it every time a guest comes or some festival, you're paka make it. So let's just get started. So for this, we're first going to take some mint leaves and add in some kiwi. Over here, we're using like 1.5 or something. Yeah, 1.5 kiwis. 1.5? Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to put in some lemon, and you're gonna just place some lemon slices like that. And if you guys have seen my mint mojito video, if you haven't, I'll put the link down below for you guys to see. That video has polos in it, and it tells you that polo is the secret ingredient to a perfecto mojito. So it's just gonna crush it like that. Be careful with the lemon. You're gonna do it low. That's so satisfying. So guys, when we're done beating up our ingredients, we're just gonna take a mason jar here and gonna transfer all of that in here. So I'm just using the help of a spoon better. And go in. And so like that. We're done. And now we are gonna pour 2 spoons of our syrup, which will which we use for our last drink. 1 spoon because it's mint. So yeah, and then a little bit of black salt. Put that in, and then finally comes our Kinley soda. So this is hard. That's why I'm gonna hold this up in my hands for more comfort. It's fizzy, it's fizzy. And I'm just gonna stir this with my straw I have. Just gonna add a little more, right? This one's fizzy. Yeah, and I'm having my mom put it in because okay, now we're just gonna add our ice. 1 and 2. So we're done adding our ice, and just give this a good little stir. So guys, we are just gonna garnish it with a piece of kiwi and a little more ice, and your kiwi mojito is ready. Voila! For our last and final dish, we are supposed to make this. So first, we're gonna take some milk. This one is really simple, and just scoop up some jam, and put it in the milk like that, and stir it slowly. So guys, you can see it's pink now. So this process takes a tad bit time, but I guess you guys could be patient. Now, so you can just see the beautiful pink. So now it's time to garnish this. But first, just take out the spoon and garnish it with almonds. Like that. You can even add fruits of your choice, like banana or something. So your drink is ready. It's mind-blowing, and this is perfect for the children who do not like to drink milk, and I swear that start drinking it. And this is really healthy. It's just jam, like come on, and it's a mixed fruit jam. So yeah. So hey guys, and for our last thingy, I got this lassi, and this is like a homemade lassi, not the bazaar wala. And then we have this syrup in which we added some sugar syrup in which we added food coloring. Now we're just gonna add this in. Yes. So 2 spoons. Color, and it looks mind-blowing. So in look wise, this is perfect Holi. Yeah. So this is really amazing.